And I am back with some more AliExpress goodies. This is another of my hauls, but I have actually made some projects with these just so that I can show you. Sometimes I don't get time to do the projects, but sometimes it is nice to actually see, you know, what these items can make. So these are what I have in front of me and what I have been doing. So, oops. Let me put these to one side. Now, first of all, I have this lovely pocket. Oh, dear God, he just ran from... Oh, my gosh. Right, sit down now. Come on. Ran from the other side of the room. Okay, so I have this lovely pocket. I'm so sorry, everyone. I literally just turned the camera on and he comes... Oh my gosh, this gorgeous pocket die set. Now it is a like a pocket, and you have this wavy die so that you can actually cut one pocket or two pockets, however many you want. So the actual pocket is just plain. Let me show you, actually, be easier if I just show you. There's a few bits in here with this set. So you get, let me pull these bits aside. Right, you get a like a journaling card size die, a tag, and then you have like a round tag and a smaller little tag. I haven't really done anything with them. And then like a label, which I've put on the front. And then you have this wavy die. So the pocket itself is just plain, so you can have it plain if you want. You could put one pocket there, or you can put two pockets. It is entirely up to you. On this one, I have actually made two pockets. I've used the banner thing there. I've used the tag there, so I've made a tag. That's like a little pocket there. And then if you use one of the journaling cards, you've got a spot at the back. How cute is that? That was £2.39, and that's including postage, just in case you forget. So that's for that set. Love it. Very cute. We all like our pockets and our tags for our journaling top spots and things. And I thought that was really cute. Just putting all my bits back. I need some magnetic sheets terribly, because they're all in little bags. My dies are. Oh, actually, I should keep those bits. And then with the bit, you know, I actually glued that onto the front in a different colour, so you don't have to, but I did. Oh, there's another one there. So that is number one. And then we have this set of flowers. So there are four flowers, and I have made a flower. And look, it actually came out really, really cute. And they are super easy. I mean, I didn't even glue that. I just put a brad through the middle, because they have actually got holes in the middle, which I think is a little bit silly if you ask me, because when you glue it, the glue, you can glue it, but I just used a brad. So if you use a brad, it doesn't matter. There's that hole there. If not, you put your glue on, I suppose, and just put your button or your whatever in the middle. But look, it actually came out super, super cute. I really love it. And that would look really cute on a project. Where am I? Oh, let's have a look. See, that would, oh, hang on. That would look really cute on the front of that, actually. Look. Where's one with like a pink bottom? I've got one with a pink bottom. And these have all got lace on the bottom of these. But look, you could have on the bottom like that with a bit of lace. They're actually really cute. I really like them. Obviously, because I've just used a brad, it's turning. But you could fix it on. But look, and what I like about them is actually I suppose you can curl them up so that they'd be fatter, but they're actually quite flat. So, you know, if you were putting them in the post, they actually look gorgeous, but they are quite flat. Love it. Love, love, love them. I will be making more of those for sure. Right, just put that up there. Don't know the price of that, but I will put the link of all of these products in the description below if you're interested in buying them. And when you buy something from Aliexpress through one of my links, until the 15th of April, you do get an entry into my Aliexpress haul. If you're not sure about it, if you've not heard about it, go back a couple of videos and you will see all about the Aliexpress giveaway. Right, so that's the flower. I'll pack it in. This one I have not actually done a sample, but it is a lovely cute stamp and die set. And you've got it's a cup of tea warms like a good friend and Dolce Vita, and you've got some cakes and macaroons, a sweet, and your little cups. So a lovely stamp set. And then you've got all the dies. I think it cuts all of the bits out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, actually cuts all of the bits out. So super cute. That was £2.54. Now the next one, with obviously Easter coming up and springtime, we have, look at this. This is just too adorable. It is a stamp set and stamp and die set, and you can buy them separately. The stamps were £1.96 and the dies £2.47. There's a lot of bits in those dies as well. And look how cute this is. Thinking of you. Love it. Super fast, easy card as well. That just took me literally minutes to make. Didn't take long at all. And you've got I miss, love, more, thinking of, hey to you, birthday. You've got a bit that cuts the U out, the woolly, cuts out the woolly and the bar-lated. So you've got, I'm so lucky to have, happy birthday, no, and you've got a sheep and a little bow tie, lots of flowers, little bell, and more flowers. And I think there's a die for all of these little bits here, and then you cut out the sheep, and you've also got the sheep's face as well. But I like that you can cut out the words as well. Really super lovely. I mean, look, I've cut out more bits to make another one, but this was so much fun. How lovely is that? This is mould stamping up paper there, look. How cute. Great for an Easter card, thinking of you. And then I have these little rabbits. I haven't cut them out. They're rabbits, 2 rabbits and 2 bow ties. And really, they're just, I didn't get time. I was going to cut them out in white with a little pink bow tie. So that's cute. And that was £1.09. Charles, you're making a mess. And then the last one we have is a stamp and die set. Now, I haven't actually made anything from it, but it's a mobile phone. And then you have these texts, which one says, hey, have a wonderful day. And then you've got, get well soon. Thank you. And happy birthday. Oops. Happy birthday. Like that. So you actually get the stamp set and then the dies. The dies have got a big one for the mobile phone, then the words. And then you've got a blank box, 2 blank boxes. And then you've got your words here. So I suppose you could put your blank boxes in there and actually write a little message in there. Whatever message you want, and stick it on a card. I thought that was lovely. And that was £1.44 for the stamp set and £2.95. Now, I'm not sure if that was £2.95 for the set. But I'll put the link in the description below. I'm not 100% sure on that one. That seems a lot for AliExpress. I would say it's more $2.95 for the whole lot, because on some of them you can buy the stamp set or the stamp set and dies. So, but I shall put all the links below for all of these products. I've had a bit of fun this afternoon making them. Oh look, I missed my card making days. Oh, look how adorable that card is. That is super lovely. And I thought for what, £4.50, it's pretty cute. You know, you can make an awful lot of cards, and you know, you've got all your different sentiments and things that you want to write. Love the flower as well. Loving that flower, actually. So a few more bits to add to my collection. I hope you've enjoyed this show and tell, this AliExpress haul. Charles is here in his little space again. Oh, here's my voice and he just comes running up, don't you? Precious boy. I will have a giveaway tomorrow, just so that you know. I was going to do one today, but I haven't had time to do it, so I will do that tomorrow for you. And don't forget, I have my AliExpress big giveaway running at the moment and running until the 15th of February, so just go back on the videos if you're interested. Right, cup of coffee we shall have now, shan't we, Charles? Right, love you guys and see you all very soon. Bye.